Hi friends, I'm Sanjay, studying animation film design in NID. I have known Jagdish for a few years now, and he's really a good friend, and more than a friend, I would say he's a good mentor. I would say some few instances uh, with him. So he, we used to talk about design and how to approach it. Uh, and once he said that design is all about unlearning what you learned, so it's like it was like an eye-opener for me, and it really helped me a lot in future projects and all, so that was really good. uh, and I'm more into animation, and I'm always being very curious of uh, on the technical terms of how the projects are done, uh, and so on. But Jagdish always insisted me to study more on how the project is being carried out from the start. So not just to focus on the um, technical stuff. So it also really helped me on how to uh, analyze the project in a way. And yeah, Jagdish is always a cheerful person, and he really brings a lot of energy into the team. It's always good to have Jagdish nearby, so it naturally gives you a boost to work enthusiastically. So he's really a good mentor for me, and I'm really thankful for that, uh, for him. Yeah.